Lobukhosi sebuneminyaka lengamakhulu lamane bukhona kanzi kule minyaka lengamakhulu lamabili lengcile sihlalo sebukhosi besiphethwe abantu labasikati. Sisuka eNdlovukatini lenisa imvula iRain Queen siye kulenye. Ngaphambilini lobukhosi buholwe ngamakhosi iminyaka lengamakhulu lamabili. Kamuva ke tindoti njinjile kulomndeni sewukhethe kubuyela eluhlelweni lwekuthi lesive siholwe ngamakhosi. Masalanabo bekufanele athathe tindzambo tebuholo etashiwa ngunina inhlovukati Makobo nga-2005.
We had 200 years up until 2005 where we were led by women. So if one can say that we are changing from women to men, is the one who doesn't know our history. Because all these kings have been controlling reign the way these women were controlling.
Tati temasiko tithi lomkhandlu unemandla ekuthatha sinqumo sekuthi ngubani lekufanele athathe sihlalo sebukhosi.
It is the royal family leading the Balobedu who can decide who is their ruler. Just like historically in 1800, when they decided that they were now going to be ruled by the matriarchs, the reign queens, it was the Balobedu themselves, led by the royal family, who decided that they were going to be ruled by the females.
They normally call us to the royal house to communicate their decisions. They have not done that. They have to call us and explain. I think it is wise that they install the prince. I don't think the rain-making custom will be negatively affected because even the prince will be able to do that.
Kusengakacaci ukuthi ngabe batawuba khona yini labatawuthatha tinyathelo temthetho kulolu dzaba.